I beg to mention item number 10, madam.
Yes,
Conducting council Mukesh Sharma is having some personal difficulty, madam. Can it be
on the
taken up
prayer
on-
of learned counsel for the writ petitioner. This matter stands adjourned for a week.
on Monday or Tuesday?
Monday, every matter is not possible.
Next,
Pass over for the day, list again in the next week.
much.
My please, your lordship, I beg to mention for listing one matter. The matter, long time for matter was not listed.
Yeah, she will help you. Tell her to go. She will help you go and enter it in the register.
Highly obliged, lordship.
Any list for motion item 1.
Yeah, who's appearing?
So
So we'll pass it. We'll pass it over for the time being. Pass over for the time being. You are appearing in this case. Item 1.
One.
Oh.
Dr. Agarwal geti hol. Let me be the place of suspension, continuous suspension without issue, and that so-called notice was issued. I have submitted my reply. Therefore, it was not reviewed, nothing, it is continuous.
Which department?
Revenue.
You have got the instruction.
Last time it is this. I will take it.
So
on the-
we'll give him 7 days time to obtain instruction.
Plus,
All right.
That's
Third, Mr. H. Raman, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Miss S.
That's not.
No. Learned Counsel for the writ petitioner. Also heard Mr. T.C. Chutia, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate Assam, appearing for the state, and Mr. S. Datta, Learned Standing Counsel, Revenue Department, G. Assam, appearing for the departmental authority. The writ petitioner is aggrieved due to his prolonged suspension, which has allegedly been continued without conducting proper review as per the prescription of law. Mr. Datta prays for 7 days time to seek instruction and appraise this court as to the veracity of the allegations made in the writ petition. Prayer allowed. Let this matter be listed for motion again on 23/6/2000. No, 23/6. Or you want it on some other day?
23,
23 will be,
today 6, okay.
okay,
Okay.
16th of June, 16/6/2025 for motion. 1 extra copy each be furnished to the learned standing council so as to enable them to obtain instruction.
What's the impugn order of penalty that is at page 147 annexure 18, my lord? Deduction of pay by one states for a period of 2 years. And that was pursuant to the departmental proceeding held under Rule 36.
So is it a major penalty?
It's a major penalty.
Then we have to
Rule
issue
36.
notice now.
Yes.
All right, heard Mr. D. Boral, Learned Counsel appearing for the writ petitioner, peruse the averments made in the writ petition, being entirely aggrieved by the order dated 27/7/2023, imposing major penalty upon the writ petitioner, and also the judgment and order dated 1/11/2023, rejecting the appeal preferred by the petitioner. The instant writ petition has been filed internally on the ground that the impugn orders are vitiated by arbitrary exercise of power, full stop. Miss R.
Order.
Devi, Learned CGC, appearing for the respondents,
All
has prayed for some time to obtain instruction. NIM 6 weeks, all the respondents, extra copies.
Obliged.
Thank you, Lordship. Matter regarding compassionate appointment. After passing this order by this honorable court to consider by the DLC. Matter is now pending.
Compassionate appointment 2008,
Yeah, my lord.
we'll dismiss it in admission. Yes, heard Mr. M. Barmoyan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Peruse the averments made in the writ petition. Matter pertains to prayer of the petitioner for appointment on compassionate ground. Ms. S. Barua, Learned G. Assam, has questioned the maintainability of the writ petition on the ground that the same is barred by delay and laches. First up, be that as it may, the said aspect of the matter will be considered at this time of admission hearing. Issue notice returnable in 8 weeks. Who is appearing for whom? Since Ms. Borua has appeared and accepted notice for respond numbers
1,
1,
4, 1,
Four.
3 and 4.
1, 3 and 4 and Ms. D.S. Neog, Standing Council Irrigation Department for respond, 2, 5 and 6. Service of notice is deemed to be complete in this case. Extra copies will be furnished to the learned department council so as to enable them to obtain instruction. Listed for dismissal after 8 weeks, is it?
Only my lord,
It will be dismissed.
this order court directed.
You try your
to
luck.
consider.
Nothing.
Item 4.
My lord, regularization 32 years, fish fed, my lord, similar
There are
order,
similar orders.
11/6,
How many days?
32 years. my lord.
32 years. The similar orders है तो साइड लग होगी. Respondent
468.
Mr. P. Sharma 468. Then
3 and 5. Rajkumar, corporate.
sorry,
Respondent.
your name
Rajkumar, on behalf of
P. Rajkua for
corporation.
respondents
3 and
3 and 5. And who else? Mr. Chalia? Respondent number 2. Mrs. Buru for 1. You know what I love. But the same order list along with the
Item 5.
My lord, the petitioner before your lordship is a Navy officer, my lord. And his wife started him and filed one application before the concern.
There are also notices to go ahead, Mr. M. Borwell and counsel for the petitioner period the averments made in the writ petition. Being entirely aggrieved due to deduction of a sum of rupees 15,468 from the monthly salary of the petitioner for payment of maintenance of the respondent number. Maintenance of the respondent number.
Respondent number wife, my lord, they are 4, my lord.
Respondent number 4, the instant writ petition has been filed internally contending that the order is illegal. Mr. Miss S. Burwal and his CGC appearing for the respondent numbers 1 to 3.
Yes.
Prays for some time to obtain instruction in the matter. NOM 6 weeks since Ms. Borua has accepted notice for respondent numbers 1, 2 and 3. No formal notice is required to be sent to the said respondents. Extra copy of the writ petition be furnished. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 4 by registered post with AD within 3 days from today. Heard on the prayer of interim relief, the said prayer will be considered on the returnable date.
Apply.
May I plead your lordship? The petitioner is working as an LGA in the office of the Assistant Registrar of Cooperative Society, Dorhat, your lordship. He is aggrieved by withholding of 1 annual increment during his period of suspension, your lordship. The impugned order is on page 24, 23, your lord.
Page 24.
23.
Will issue notice then.
Lordship.
Third, Miss F. Hussain, Learned Counsel for the writ petitioner, peruse the averments made in the writ petition. The petitioner herein is working as an LDA in which,
In the office of the Assistant Registrar of Cooperative Society, Dorhat.
in the office of Assistant Register of Cooperative Society, Jorhat, being aggrieved by the order issued by the departmental authorities, withholding 1 increment
Yes, yes.
pertaining to the
suspension and his unauthorized leave.
Period of suspension
Period of suspension.
undergone by the petitioner. The instant writ petition has been filed, inter alia contending that such action on the part of the authorities is wholly arbitrary. Miss
S.K. Bhatt.
S.K. Bhatt, counsel for the Standing Council Cooperation Department, have some praise for some time to obtain instruction in the matter. NOM 6 weeks since Ms. Bhatt has appeared and accepted notice for all the respondents, no
No.
formal notice, extra copies.
Extra call. Deeply obliged, your lordship. Obliged, your lordship.
It is. In this case, the petitioner of the lordship was initially appointed on 16/8/1983. It was spent, my lord, on ad hoc basis. But thereafter, the respondent authorities conducted interview with petition 1. But results was never public. Consult PDPO, time and again, then proposal for regulation of the service. No regulation has been, they approached this noble group.
Here also notice has to go.
Hello.
Heard Mr. I.S. Sekar and counsel for the petitioner. Peruse the amendments made in the writ petition. The petitioner was initially appointed as a fixed pay employee. His services were subsequently regularized, not regular. However, despite rendering long years of service, he was not regularized until the date of his retirement, as a result of which the petitioner did not receive any pensionary benefit. Claiming minimum of pay scale and other benefits permissible under the judgment of this court rendered in the case of State of Assam versus Upendas and others, the instant writ petition has been filed seeking a writ of mandamus. Full stop. Ms. S. Borua, learned GA Assam, and Mr. A. Cholia, learned Standing Counsel, Finance Department, Assam, have prayed for some time to obtain instruction in the matter. NOM 6 weeks since Ms. Borua has appeared and accepted notice for response numbers
1, 2, 3,
2,
4,
3, 4,
and 6.
and 6, and Mr. Solia for response number 5. Service of notice is deemed to be complete in this case, extra copy of the writ petition, etc., etc., etc. Yes. Yes.
Maybe not. Lordship, I was service Assam Police. I was given major punishment following DP,
Hmm.
Following a criminal case, Thereafter, DP was proceeded and I was given major punishment. I submitted my representation, but my representation was not considered till date.
You were dismissed from service.
Dismissed from-
Removed from service. He has not preferred appeal also. There is a provision for statutory appeal.
Yes. You have not preferred this.
I filed here.
You have filed the
Page number
appeal.
40, page number 40,
Page number
40,
40.
year Lordship.
What is this?
No, this is a representation, not an appeal.
Lordship. The criminal case that was raised against me, I was acquitted in that case, honorably acquitted in that case.
All right, we issue notice, then you take your instruction because it will take a
Yes,
little time. Heard Mr.
Hardship.
R. Chetty, land counsel appearing for the writ petitioner. There is the statements made in the writ petition. Pursuant to registration of a police case being Delhi PS case number 44/2012 under section 25 bracket numerical 1-A bracket close of the Arms Act, read with section 4/5 of the ES Act. The writ petitioner was subjected to a departmental proceeding, which eventually ended up in an order of major punishment of removal from service. Full stop. The petitioner was, however, acquitted in the criminal case. As such, he has approached this court by filing the present writ petition seeking an order for reinstatement in service on the ground that the criminal charges brought against the petitioner could not be proved in the court of law. Full stop. Mr. T.C. Chutia, learned additional senior government advocate, Assam, appearing for the state, prays for some time to obtain instruction in the matter. NOM 6 weeks. Chutia, for all respondents, extra
All
copies.
You provide me with extra copy, madam. Extra copy.
Extra copies. we have given.
That is allowed. My lord, this petitioner filed one writ petition earlier, challenging his rejection by the SLC. In the meantime, my lord, this writ petition is pending, page 61 is pending writ petition, and now, my lord, this office memorandum has come. Therefore, my lord, I am saying when this matter may come up along with this page 61.
On the prayer of Mr. M. Borwell and counsel for the petitioner, let this writ petition be listed again after a week along with WPC number
1468/2023.
1468/2023, which is stated to be connected with the present proceeding. Mr. T.C. Chutia, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate Assam, and 1 and 6. Your name, please? 1 and 6 means you are standing counsel.
As your topic,
S. Datta is for,
revenue, Panchayat, PNRD.
Mr. I'll record his name then. Mr. S. Datta, Learned Standing Counsel, PNRD Assam, and Mr. H. Cholia, Learned
I am
Standing
totally
Counsel,
for-
Finance Department, Assam, are present. Let it come up after one.
Yes.
Yes, who is appearing? Passover for the time being. Next, there is morning, there is a Passover matter item? No. None appears for the petitioner on call. This matter stands Passover for the day.
Yes, sir. Lordship, I'd like to mention for listing lordship, the hearing matter.
What, listing of what? Motion?
No lordship,
Motion.
motion.
Motion?
No lordship, hearing matter. Listing on hearing matter.
Hearing matter. You talk to her, she'll tell you what.
Madam,
to
my
do.
matter is motion matter, madam. I'm wrongly mentioning put number 10, madam.
You want to mention?
My lord,
When do you want it?
Monday, madam.
Monday, we are already, Tuesday.
Madam. No, sir.